very stable in 6G mode. And by the way, you can actually tune or train the flight controller as well. As you can see, I'm not touching the cyclic, just controlling the throttle. So they did tune the algorithm on the GTS flight controller. Look at that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Welcome outdoors and welcome to my review of all new GooSky S1 Legend dual brushless motor direct drive mini 3D RC helicopter, which is an entry-level 3D RC helicopter. I know GooSky S2 and RS4 have been a huge success and a big hit, and this S1 Legend is not gonna fall behind as well. Let's take a closer look at the helicopter first, talk about its features, let me show you everything up close, and then I'll give it a flight and see how it performs. Well, apart from my rusty 3D skills, I'll hope I'll not crash it. So let's get to work. Let's take a closer look at the GooSky S1 Legend. Neat little helicopter, very simple design. Only 107 grams all-out flight weight on this dual brushless motors. So this is right here, people. I mean, a very compact 3D RC helicopter that has a built-in powerhouse for you to perform. Even a hardcore 3D if you have skills. Now, the canopy design is nice and simple, and I love my favorite lime color on it. Helicopter is running a tuned GTS flight controller that is especially scaled down for this helicopter. It has digital Metal Gear servos. I will open the canopy and show you very soon. We have one piece nylon landing skid, not easy to break. Improved tail boom as well, which is not easy to break or bend, which is very easy. By the way, you don't have to take the canopy off to install the battery. Battery bay is right here, and they have proprietary batteries. So yes, I wanted to show you that if you look at here, this is very easy to tighten and grab the tail boom and adjust it or install it right there. So replacement of tail boom is going to be very easy. They are calling it their patented design for the tail boom installation. Looking at the frame, I can show you. Looking at the frame, I can tell you this is as simple as it gets. And at this time, they also have a standard servo layout, 120° CCPM. Also notice, I don't know how close I can get, also notice the adjustment-free connecting rod design from servos to swash to main rotor grips. So you don't have to worry about adjusting those. They're already adjusted, and rest of the adjustment has to be done on the flight controller. Now, flight controller has, you're gonna appreciate it. It has a built-in SFHSS protocol receiver, so you can bind your Futaba, Radio Master Pocket, Boxer, TX16S, Edge TX or Open TX radios, which are 4-in-1 and have Futaba SFHSS protocol. You can easily bind those and fly it right away. If you're running Spectrum radios, you do have a satellite receiver port here, so you can add your satellite receiver and configure it with your Spectrum radios and fly it as well. Also, notice it has a UART, so you can connect your Bluetooth unit, and running an app on your Android phone, you can configure all the parameters of this little monster anywhere, anytime you like or as you like. So nothing much to see, really very neat, nice design, and very easy to repair this time. The battery for this helicopter is 300 milliamps, 60C 7.4 volt, kind of proprietary battery, not easy to find because it only has a balance port, and luckily I just have one battery. So what I did, I brought my Sky RC B6 Neo and a 4S battery and this charger cable that comes with the helicopter in the box. So I'll be able to charge this battery very quick using B6 Neo right here on the field as well. Let's see how it goes. I'm out of practice, and right now I'm running complete stock settings. I haven't connected it to, here we go, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I haven't connected it to any, app, a GooSky app. I shouldn't say any, just one app. I haven't connected it to GooSky app, so It's completely stock setup that comes from factory. Looky, man, mashallah. What a beautiful flying little helicopter. Very stable in 6G mode. And by the way, you can actually tune or train the flight controller as well. As you can see, I'm not touching the cyclic, just controlling the throttle. So it's pretty stable. Now, my only worry is it's actually not easy to see. So if I'm doing 3D, what's gonna happen? Let's give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, man. Wow, man, this thing can get faster, huh? Look at that. So I don't know where should I do the 3D, because look at that, it's really tiny, man. How crash proof it is, I'm not sure, man. And I am not in the mood of crashing this baby. That was my ugly pyro flip. I'm running like 60% head speed or 65%. This is full head speed. I mean 80%, not full, sorry. Man, I am not very good at doing side TikToks, but just now, I don't know if you saw it because it's too tiny, I was able to do side TikToks using my Futaba really well. So they did tune the algorithm on the GTS flight controller. Look at that. So it's really more stable now. More stable, more fun to fly, man. And 3D is really very stable. I really don't have the skills to throw the 3D at it that this baby can do. Okay, battery's gone, so here we land. I drained the battery a lot, man. Another sweet machine, man, really. I'm actually happy to see the improved algorithm on it, because as I said, the side TikTok is where I always mess up my RS4 and pyro flips. Of course, I'm still learning, but side TikToks I was able to do in a way that I was happy with those side TikToks. So they did improve the algorithm on GTS flight controller. It's really more stable to do 3D and more, I would say, more accurate for the inputs that you're throwing to it, and the outputs are really very, very precise on this. All right, so let's charge the battery and see how quick I can charge the battery. Okay. All right, having to have only one battery is a problem. So I'm gonna connect the battery here, plug it to the balance port, plug it to the XT60 port, and I have 6.52 volts left. Okay, enter 7.4, charge to 4.20 volt. At 3 amp, I believe I will explode this 300 milliamp. So I'm just gonna put it down to 1 amp, 1.5. Let's try 2 amp. All right. Ooh, I drain it down to 3.1 volt one cell. So now the battery is charging, and it's charging pretty fast. I'll be able to do another flight. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking for a pocket-sized helicopter, you need a pocket-sized radio, man. So I'm gonna, fly it with Radio Master Pocket Edge TX. I've already set up a very, very simple, model on the Edge TX Radio Master Pocket. And it's the same thing that I've taught in with the Boxer Edge TX. I have made a complete video how to set up Edge TX for 3D RC helicopters. If you haven't watched it, it's on my channel. Go check it out. So I'm gonna set it up with this one and give it a flight with the Pocket and see how it goes. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.